Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. This morning I made a prediction using the 11 o'clock chart, and I had been mentioning in all my articles before that Moon is the delivery boy. You see what happens? I had predicted that the peak of the coronavirus and emergency like situations will take place from the 24th to 16th of May 2021. But Mars is the delivery boy. Now, today, when I picked up the chart in the morning, I found Moon is with Mars, and at 11 o'clock, when probably the decision will be taken by the Chief Minister of Delhi for the lockdowns, I could foresee that the lockdowns will be implemented in Delhi immediately. And this is what I just wanted to tell you, that the day is Monday and the Lord is Moon, and it is ill placed from the 8th house and 8th Lord, which clearly shows, and the 8th Lord is afflicted by Mars, the 6th Lord from the Lagna with Moon, and there is exchange between Mars and Mercury. The Lagna Lord is in the 11th house, and the 11th Lord in the Lagna, and the Karka for government is Sun, who's eclipsing, who's combusting the Mercury degree wise at 5 degrees, and both are in the nakshatra of Ketu, which is placed in the 6th house. And there is going to be a Veda between 6th Lord and 8th Lord on the 24th. It clearly indicates lockdown situations, and the Navamsha rising is of Venus, 3.25 Navamshas. It clearly shows about 50 days of trouble from lockdowns, and immediately lockdown will be implemented for Venus. The as far as timing is concerned, Venus takes 15 days, so maybe for 1 week and then another 1 week, the lockdowns will be implemented. So this is what I just wanted to share, friends. Astrology is most amazing, and you can predict anything from it. And I had written this article at 9 o'clock in the morning. I had even I had published it at 9 o'clock, and I put the links even on the YouTube in my previous videos and on the Facebook, so you can see for yourself. The predictions are coming out absolutely correct, and I'd also mentioned the stock market will take a hit around 11:30 to 12 o'clock, and this news will also come between 11 and 12, and it is exactly come at that time. So it is amazing. The moment the Lagna changes and the Saturn, the 8th Lord, aspects the Lagna, you will get the results. So it is most amazing to see astrology working 100%. It is not even a single event which cannot be predicted. But yes, you need to know the basic rules and the parameters for predictions. Prashna Jyotish is amazing, and especially if you use not the Parashar way of Prashna, the Tamil and the South Indian way of Prashna, then the predictions are just amazing. So that's all what, friends, I just wanted to share, that the predictions are spot on, and we have almost entered in an emergency like situation. I had written about 8-9 articles, and I had mentioned that we will be facing emergency like situations, and historic situations will be there. And I've also written an article on coronavirus, that this is the second wave, and it is parallel to the second wave of Spanish flu, and this may continue till 19th of August, and the peak will be from the 24th April to 18th of May, and the second wave will be till 19th of April, considering all the planetary positions parallel to. If you read my article, you will be amazed. What sort of combinations were there at the time of